Welcome to Francis Collins School.
Okay, hello everyone. Okay, we are going to start first remembering, we are going to remember the value, industriousness, the value, industriousness, the phrase, work with love, dedication, care, and attention, and you will be the first. And the confession, for the spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but it gives us power, love, and self-discipline. Okay? Timothy 2, chapter 1, verse 7. Okay? Let's continue. Yes? Okay. Today we are going to talk about people and animals. Okay? Vamos a hablar acerca de personas y animales. Yes? And for this vocabulary, we are going to, for this lesson, we are going to remember some vocabulary. Okay. If you have your book, you can bring it, okay? Si tienes el libro, puedes traerlo, yes. Also, I sent a picture of this page, okay? Además, también envié una foto de esta página, ¿sí? En el Word, que normalmente se les envía, ¿sí? Para que puedan trabajar. Se les envié envío una fotito para que puedan trabajarla junto conmigo, ¿ok? Okay, let's start first. Yes, this is listen and repeat. Yes. What? Okay, let's listen. We have here nose. Yes. Okay, we have the nose. Vamos a marcarlo. Yes. Nose. Yes, the nose. Nose. Yes, the neck. Neck. This is the neck. The wing. Yeah, wing. Yes, wing. Yes. Nose, neck, and wing. Yes. Now, what animal do you think it is? ¿Qué animal piensas que es? What animal do you think it is? Okay, it is and is, aquí le vamos a poner number 1. It is a Greek Sphinx. Greek Sphinx. Greek Sphinx. Yes. Those are mythical creatures. Yes, mythical creatures. Criaturas míticas, okay? This is the Sphinx griega, ¿verdad? Greek Sphinx. Yeah, Sphinx. Greek Sphinx. Yes. Okay. It has a nose, yes, neck, and wing. Yes. Here, what do we have here? ¿Qué tenemos aquí? Can you see? Yes. First on this part, what is it? What is it? Ear. Yes, ear. Una ear. This part is a mouth. Mouth. Yes. And this is tail. Tail. Yes. Tail. And what is this? What creature it is? And it is with black better. Okay, can you see? Egyptian. Sorry, me comí aquí la Egyptian Sphinx. Okay, you're going to write this in your book and in the or in the picture that I sent you. Okay, here it says, let's talk about this first. This woman, yeah? What is it? A ver, what does she has? Mejor. She has here those that are white. What are these? Teeth, teeth, teeth. And the toe. Yes. Teeth, diente, yeah, teeth and toe, la lengua. Yes, los dientes y la lengua. Yes, very good. And what is it? What creature it is? Is it? Is it a number 4? Well, okay. This is the gorgon. Yes. Okay, la gorgona. Yes, gorgon. And what about this picture? This is the head. Yes. And all of this is the body. Yes, the head. You know what is head? Cabeza, yes, y el cuerpo. Yes, el body. What is that? It is a mermaid. Yes, mermaid. Sorry. It is a mermaid. Yes, mermaid. ¿Dónde está? Mermaid. Yes, mermaid. It's an E. Yes, an I. Yes. Okay. Head and body. Yes. Remember. Okay, let's continue. Here, acá no se nota muy bien, but here it is. Here we have leg. Yes, leg. Aquí está la leg. Y aquí está el foot. Yes. Leg and foot. Ahí está. Yes. Okay. Here we go. Arm. Todo esto es el arm. Yes, arm. Y solo esto que está acá es the hand. Yes. Here, the same. All this is the leg. Leg. Yes. And the foot is only this part. Foot. Okay? Leg and foot. Yes. And what about this creature? What is it? What is it? It is a fairy. Yes, fairy. With black, mejor. Fairy, yes. Ok. Puedes poner, si es que te has retrasado, puedes poner el pausa, no hay problema. Ok, fairy, yes. Remember, arm, hand, leg, a foot. Yes. Okay. Now let's go and we are going to listen this. Okay, vamos a escuchar. Yes. This is an audio. Yes. The text below is about some mythical creatures. Listen, read, and label the pictures on the left. Well, ya hicimos lo de las pictures. Yes. Eso ya lo hicimos. Okay. Now we are going to read and answer letter B. Okay. Let's listen. Okay. Listen.
2D. People and animals. Read. A. Human, animal, or both. A sphinx is a mythical creature from Greece and Egypt. The Egyptian sphinx has a man's head and the body of a lion. The Greek sphinx is a woman with a lion's body and wings. The gorgon is a woman with big wings. She has big teeth and snakes for hair. A mermaid is a mythical sea creature. She has the head and the body of a woman but the tail of a fish. A fairy is a creature with magic powers. Fairies are very small and they have wings like butterflies.
Okay. It says human, animals, or both. Yes, it talk about what? In general, talk about mythical creatures. Yes, mythical creatures. Yes, like for example, we have Sphinx. Yes, a Sphinx. The Gargan. Yes, the mermaid, and the fairy. Yes. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's read letter B. This read again and write true or false. Okay, we're going to write true or false. Let's see. According to the reading, yes. According to the reading. Okay, this the Egyptian, yes, Sphinx has wings. Has wings. The Egyptian uh, Sphinx. Yes or no? No, false. Miss, why false? Because it says here, phoenix. It's a mythical creature for Greece. Okay, okay. Here, which of it has wings? The Greek sphinx. Yes, acá dice wings. In the case of the Egyptian sphinx, no, okay, no wings. Entonces false. Yes. Number 2 dice, the Greek phoenix has lion's head. Did a lion's head? Yes or no? The lion's head, the Greek phoenix, yes or no? The Greek phoenix has a lion's head. It's not a lion head, okay? This is false. Means yes, no. It is false because it says, look at this, it's a woman with a lion's body, not with a lion head. Yes, not with a lion's head. It's a lion's body, okay? And this is false. Number 2 is false. Number 3, this the Gergen is a snake. Is it a snake? Yes or no? No, it's not a snake. Yes, it's not a snake, so false. Number 4, the mermaid don't have legs. True or false? The mermaid don't have legs. True, ¿verdad? True, aquí está. True. It says she has a head and the body of a woman, but a tail of fish. Yes? So, true. Now, the last one. Fairies are very small creatures. True or false? True. Miss why? True, because it says fairies are very small, and they have wings like butterflies. They're small, okay? False, 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 true, true. Yes, now, what is going to be, okay, we talk about a new vocabulary, okay? Hemos hablado acerca de un nuevo vocabulario about the parts of the body, acerca de las partes del cuerpo, yes? Para ello, we are going to practice, yes? You have to read down more than one time, yes? Let's see. Tienes tu práctica en las live worksheets, ok, que te estoy enviando en el documento, y esta va a ser la práctica que vas a resolver. Esta va a ser tu práctica virtual, ok, your virtual practice, yes, about the parts of the body. In this case, we have animals, yes. Y me gustaría compartir, I would like to share with you some words, okay. For example, this is a new word. in this practice. Esta es una palabra en esta práctica, yes. And this is pet. What means pet? This part. Pata, la pata del perrito, yes, pet. Now we have this word, fur. Fur. Piel. Yes, this is the piel. Fur. And whisker. What means, ¿dónde está aquí? Aquí, in this part of the cat. Whisker. What means whisker? Whisker. Bigote, yes. Son algunas palabritas que te estoy mencionando que no están en tu librito, pero que van a estar en tu práctica, para que más o menos sepas cuáles son, yes. Dice claw. Claw. This claw. Garra. Garra. Yes. Claw. Man. In this part, man. Melena. And another one, nostril. This is for two. Okay. This is okay. Sorry. Nostril. This is what it is. This is how did it call it? Oh, ¿cómo lo llaman? Yes. Fosa nasal. Yes, fosa nasal. In the case of the animals. Yes. In this case of the horse. Yes. Then we have hoof. Hoof. The hoof is pezuña. Hoof. Pezuña. Yes. Mane, melena. Nostril is fosa nasal. Yes. Hoof es pezuña. Yes. Claw es garra. Yes. Whisker. Yes. Bigotes. Yes. Fur. Piel y pata. Yes. Ok. ¿Qué vas a hacer? Vas a unir, vas a jalar más bien estas partecitas de acá y lo vas a colocar según la parte del cuerpo que corresponda, ¿ok? Esa es tu tareita en los live worksheets. Yes, esa es tu única tareita, de hecho, en the live worksheets, ¿ok? That was all for today. Eso fue todo por hoy. And good to see you. Nice to see you, ¿ok? Nice to meet you again. Ok, fue un placer, chicos, verlos. Well, que me escuchen, ¿ok? Okay, that was all for today.